Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new and improved clear dome light lens for various Ford applications. Upgrading the lighting on modern restorations is a trend these days, but putting those fancy LED bulbs behind the old yellowed lenses doesn't take advantage of the bulb's light output or color. Dennis Carpenter has made a dome light lens that will replace the original, but is made from crystal clear acrylic and features molded prisms for better light distribution and intensity. By changing the interior lens with this upgraded version, you will see a noticeable improvement in the brightness of your interior lighting. So upgrade your restoration with one of our new and improved dome light lenses from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.